here's just a little tip. If you have shared photos and you star one, it automatically gets saved to your library. We went to a party last night, and this time Jim took more pictures than me. The main dish was a huge pile of paella, and I thought it was so cool, but I did not take a picture of it. If I go to collections and Jim's photos, he shares his entire library with me. I have like a back door. I can tap on Jim's photos, and this is all the photos he took of this party last night. Here is the picture of paella, and I made it a favorite. That automatically saves it, makes a copy of it from his library to mine, because it can't make it a favorite of mine unless it is mine. So just tapping the star accomplishes two things: copying it to your library and making it a favorite. I think that's a pretty special little tip there.